Now we can find what are the subshells of shells. K shell, L shell, M shell, etc. Shell number 1, 2, 3, 4. Name of shell. Name of shell. K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. Here we want to find what are the subshells of these shells. Subshells. These shells, it is divided into energy levels. First shell contains one subshell. One subshell. It is written as S subshell. First shell contains only one shell, and this is named as S subshell. Second shell is L shell. It contains two subshells. First one shell S. Second shell S and P. Second shell L shell 2. So there are two subshells here. So what is the number of subshells in the third shell? You know that it is 3 subshells. Which are they? S, P and D. S, P and D. And fourth shell contains 4 subshell. The name of the subshells are S, P, D and F. Remember the point. Remember the point. First shell contains subshell. First shell, K shell, it contains only one subshell, that is S. Second shell is L shell. It contains 2 subshells, S and P. Third shell contains 3 subshells, S, P and D. Fourth shell S, P, D and F. Dear students, remember the name of subshells. First shell K, only one subshell, that is S. Second shell contains 2 subshells, S and P. Third shell contains 3 subshells, that is S, P and D. And fourth shell contains 4 subshells, S, P, D and F, 4 subshells. Among these, can you identify which shell is common here as? Second is SP, third is S, P, D, fourth one is S, P, D, F. S, P, D, F. From this, we can easily find out S subshell. Which subshell? Which shell? Which subshell is common? S subshell is common for all the shells. S, SP, SPD, SPDF. These are the subshells. Then we can find maximum number of electrons. Maximum number of electrons possible. Maximum number of electrons in the shells. K shell, maximum number of electron is 2. Second shell maximum number of electron possible is 8. Third shell, maximum number of electron possible is 18. And fourth shell, maximum number of electron possible is 32. These are the shell-wise electronic configuration. Now we can find out what is the subshell-wise electronic configuration. Subshell-wise electronic configuration. I am going to write the subshell again, S2. So here also S and P. S2, maximum number of electron possible in the S subshell is 2. So the remaining 6 electrons goes to the P subshell. So maximum number of electron possible in the P subshell is 6. Why? Maximum number of electron possible in the P subshell 6. Why? In the K shell, maximum number of electron is 2. This electron goes to the S subshell. Then the second shell, L shell. L shell, the maximum number of electron is 8. There are 2 subshells here, 2 subshell, S and P. S contains 2 electron. The remaining 6 electron goes to P. So maximum number of electrons possible in the P subshell is 6. Third, we want to find the maximum number of electrons possible in the D subshell. Can you find? Third shell is M shell. Maximum number of electrons possible in the M shell is 18. M shell has 3 subshells. S, P and D. Here maximum number of electron possible S subshell is 2. S subshell is 2. Then you know that the number of electron possible in the P subshell is 6. P subshell is 6. So 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. So what is the remaining number of electrons? 10. 2 plus 6 plus 10 gives 18. So this is 10 electron. The maximum number of electrons possible in the D subshell is 10. Okay. First subshell S can accommodate 2 electron, 2. Next SP. P maximum number of electron possible in P subshell is 6. Why? 2 plus 6, 8. M shell contain 3 subshell, S, P and D. S, P and D. S 2 electron, P 6 electron and D 10 electron. So what is the number of electron possible in the F subshell? Find it. Number of electrons possible in the F subshell. Okay. S 2 electron, 2. P maximum number 6. D maximum number of electron possible is 10. You have studied now. Look, 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. Here the total number of electron is 32. So the remaining is 14. 14. The maximum number of electrons possible in the F subshell is 14. Once more. Maximum number of electrons possible in the K shell is 2. K shell has only one subshell. The name of the subshell is S. So this electron goes to this s subshell. Maximum number of electron possible in the s subshell is 2. Second subshell is L. It can maximum number of electron in the subshell is 8. There are two subshells S and P. S and P. S 2 electron, P 6 electron. 2 plus 6, 8. Third shell, M shell. M shell can accommodate 18 electrons. 18 electrons. It has 3 subshells. 3 subshells. S, P and D. S, P and D. Here S subshell 2 electron, P subshell 6 electron, D subshell 10 electron. Then the fourth shell, N shell. The subshells are S, P, D and F. S, P, D and F. S, maximum number of electron possible in the N shell is 32. So S subshell 2 electron, P subshell 6 electron, D 10, F 14. Okay. So you have studied what is a shell. K, L, M, N. Maximum number of electrons can be find out using the equation 2n square, when n represents the number of shell. K shell has one subshell, that is S. L shell has 2 subshell, S and P. M shell 3 subshell, S, P, D. And N shell S, P, D, F. Observe this. K shell S subshell. Maximum number of electrons 2. L shell subshells are S and P. S 2 electron and P 6 electron. M third shell subshells S, P, D. S, P, D. S 2, P 6, D 10. D 10. N shell 4 subshell S, P, D, F. S 2, P 6, D 10, F 14. Then how can we represent the subshell? Representation of subshell. How many shells are there? K, L, M, N. Subshells are S, SP, SPD, SPDF. SPDF. K, L, M, N. These are the shells. Next, subshell. S. Here is S, P. Here S, P, D. Here S, P, D, F. Maximum number of electrons possible. S, 2. Here S2, P6. 2, 6, 10. Here 2, 6, 10, 14. Okay, only one subshell S, 2, L, 2 subshell S and P, S 2 electron, P 6 electron. Maximum number of electron possible in the P subshell. Third M shell, S, P, D, S 2 electron, P 6 electron, maximum number, D 10 electron. 2, 6, 10, F subshell can accommodate a maximum number of 14 electron. How can we represent the subshell? In all the occasion S is there, S, SP, SPD, SPDF further. Representation. First subshell, it is written as 1S. 1S. Why it is written as 1S? It is the subshell of the first shell. K-shell. Then second shell L. Again there are two subshells here, S and P. Second shell. Second shell. So it is written as 2S here 2P. 2S 2P. I think you can fill the remaining portion. Third shell, M shell, subshells are S, P, D. Third, 3S, 3P. Next one is 3D. Naming of the subshell. 1S, first shell. 2S, 2P. Third shell, 3S, 3P, 3D. Fourth, 4S, 4P, 4D, 4F. These are the representation of the subshells. First shell, S subshell, 1S. Second, S and P, so it is written as 2S, 2P. Third subshell, 3S, 3P, 3D. Fourth subshell, 4S, 4P, 4D, 4F. The number of shells. Okay. So, which subshell is common? S subshell. S subshell. S subshell can accommodate how many electrons? 2 electrons. P subshell 6 electron. D subshell maximum number of 10 electron. And F subshell 14 electron. 14 electron. Observe the table. Shell. Complete the worksheet in your textbook and read the paragraph. Okay.